How to remove payment card in Next app. It's a very simple and a quick process, so let's jump into the video. Well, if you're on your PC, the very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser. Let me head over to Google Chrome. Once you're in here, in the search bar, search for Next Login. Tons of different sites will be visible to you, but head over to the very first one. It will land you on the official page of Next. Now, if you already have your account, you simply need to enter your email address or customer number and your password and click on Sign in and log into your account. But if you don't have your account yet, then tap on Register Now. In here, you have to fill up some of the necessary detailed information. Once you have filled up all the information, tap on Register My Account, and then your account will be created successfully. So once you are logged into a specific account, the next thing you want to do is head over to your profile at the top right corner, and then move into Settings. Inside Settings, head over to Payment Method. In the page of Payment Method, all of the payment card that you have added on Next app will be visible to you. Click on the card that you want to remove. Once you click on it, all of your card detail information will be visible. At the bottom, the option of Delete will be available to you. Click on it. And once again click on Delete. After that, your payment card will be deleted successfully, and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can remove payment card on Next app. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.